Welcome back. Now in this lecture we're going to display a readable time for each job post so that you can know the time it was created or published. So let's go to the index view and you're going to display that time on this section. So let's use one of the timestamps column that we have on the database. So let's echo that column. Which is created at save. Let's see from the browser. So I'm just going to refresh. So as you can see, we have a time displaying, but that one is not readable. So which is in the format of year, month, and then the date, and then the time it was created. So we need a more readable time, and we're going to do that with the help of a package called Carbon. So we have this one, carbon.nesbo.com, and Carbon is a simple PHP API extension for date and time, and it's already installed in your application. So if you're using Laravel version 5.8 and above, then it means that package is already installed. So that one, it will help us to manage the time. So as you can see now, we need to choose a readable time, and we're going to do that with the help of this Carbon. So here you'll see we have what we call strings formatting, and the one you have just used is this one, that is date to date time string. So we need a more readable, and we're going to straight to diff for humans. So it's easier for humans to read 1 month ago compared to 30 days ago. So these are common functions seen in most date libraries. So as you can see here, we'll choose one of these diff for humans. So if you choose this one, it will display like this 5 days ago. So as you can see, so let's copy this, copy, and then add it immediately after the created at column. So save. Let's see, refresh, and now as you can see, we have a more readable time 1 hour ago. So 1 hour ago. So you can always go to Carbon documentation and choose the time you prefer to display. So see you in the next lecture.